In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your writing skill with ChatGPT. Think of ChatGPT as your personal writing coach. Start by pasting a paragraph or a short draft and ask for a review focused on clarity, tone, grammar, and structure. Don't just request corrections. Ask for detailed feedback that explains why changes are suggested. Encourage it to point out weak areas such as wordiness, unclear ideas, or poor flow. For example, you can say, "Show me which sentences feel repetitive, where my argument loses focus, and how to reorganize for smoother transitions." Use the notes to make targeted revisions, then resubmit your updated draft to see how it improves. Over time, this review and revise cycle develops sharper judgment and cleaner writing. Next, practice rewriting and structuring. Take a paragraph you've already written and ask ChatGPT to help you rewrite it for clarity and conciseness while preserving your voice. If you're starting from rough ideas, turn them into a structured outline before drafting. Request a clear introduction that frames the purpose, a logical sequence of points that build on each other, and a conclusion that reinforces the main takeaway. You can even ask for 2 or 3 alternative introductions or conclusions to compare different approaches. Repetition matters here. Rewriting the same section in a few styles trains your ear for rhythm, economy, and flow, building consistency and confidence. Now, work on vocabulary and style. If you notice overused words, ask for stronger, more precise alternatives and explanations of nuance. Experiment with tone by asking for versions that are formal, casual, or persuasive, and compare what changes between them. Study sentence variation by requesting a mix of short and long sentences and smoother paragraph transitions. You can also ask ChatGPT to mimic the style of strong, established writing for practice, then analyze what makes that style effective so you can apply those principles in your own way. Finally, build a daily writing habit. Set a small, reliable routine with prompts and word limits, say 150 to 300 words per session. Ask for instant corrections and, importantly, for explanations so you learn as you go. Save your drafts and compare older versions with improved ones to see tangible progress. A simple loop. Write, get feedback, revise, done consistently, is what leads to long-term improvement. Keep it steady, keep it curious, and you'll notice your writing become clearer, more confident, and more compelling with each session.